So hi all, today we will see the internal implementation of stack. So first question is, what is a stack? So stack is the abstract data type in which we can insert or delete the data from one end only, which is called as top. It follows last in first out or first in last out. Means suppose in the stack we give 1 2 3 4, then it follows first in last out. So if we push 1 2 3 4, then we can pull 4 3 2 1. And the operations of stack are, one is push operation. What is the so in the push operation we add data, and in pop operation, other operation is pop operation. So in the pop operation we remove the data but from the top. In peek operation we can only see the data. In the peek operation we not remove the data. And in size operation we return the total size of the stack. Now the question, now where we use stack. So normally if we want to reverse a string, in that case we can use stack. And undo redo, there we are also using a stack. So let's start. So first I am making and one more thing, we can make a stack with array list as well as linked list. So in this chapter I am saying with array list, and in other lecture I will uh, make internal implementation with the help of linked list. So let's get start. So first I make one max. I am using array, not array list here. So I make one max variable, because in array, when we declare the array, then in that time, when we declare the array, in that time we give array is fixed in size. That's why I create max variable. Max is the size of the array. Now I'm making array static int, uh, giving the name is stack, quest new int, variable name is max. So what is the size of max? That is 100. So I make array with the size 100. Now I am giving the static int top equals minus 1. Why minus 1? Because our array will be start from 0. That's why I am giving top to top minus 1. When I will enter any element, in that case I will just do top plus plus, and then our top value will be 0, and I will start enter the element. So first operation I told you, push operation, no? So I am making push operation method, static void push, int data. I am using integer data type. First I will check condition, if top is equals max. So we will just print the print that our stack is full. Stack is full. Okay. Because since we are using array, so we cannot go, means here max size is 100, so we are not able to put 100 a stack of 100 index. We will get index out of bound exception. So if this will happen, then we will just print this, print stack is full, and we will return this. If it is not, else, means first we will increase the top plus plus, and after that we will put data, that is stack top equals data. So this is our push operation. Now other operation is pop operation, means in the push operation we can give the data. We can push the data in a stack. In pop operation, we can pull the data from a stack. A static void pop. We are pulling this, so we are not giving any data. First, we are checking that what is the value of top. If top equals -1, then our stack is empty. The stack is empty, and then we will return. Else int data equals stack data, and sorry, not data, stack top, then top minus minus, because what is the use of pop operation? To pull that element, and just we will return data. Now what is the issue? Let's think. Okay, sorry, here we are giving the value now, so we will just int, and here we are returning just -1. Anything we can return. I am returning -1. Or I can do one thing. I am making this void only. So this is just return, and I am just printing this. So this is easier for us. We can also use int, but I am just using void for easiness. Now peak operation. So what is the use of peak operation? The use of peak operation means in the pop operation we pull the top element, but in the peak operation we only see the top element, not pull. So operation will be same. So I'm just copying it, paste, or I'm just writing, so it will be easier for you to understand. First we will check if top is equals to -1, then just we will print the stack is empty, and we will return. Else int data is equals to stack top, says out data. Now I am not decrement the top operation. Why? Because peak operation only see the value, not it return anything. Means peak operation just see the value, the top value, not its pull it, pull that value. Now other operation is size. Size is nothing, just top +1. Static void size. Sits out top +1. So this is size. One more operation we can do, traverse operation. In the traverse, when we call traverse, then it will pull all the element which is present in our array. Traverse, TRAVERSE. Okay. First we will give while top is not equals to 1. -1. When top is will be -1, then our array will be empty. Sys out pop. What is error? What is issue? The method println boolean is not a void. What is? Let's say pick operation. Okay. Actually, we not need system.out.println because pop already print this. Okay. Yeah, if pop is integer type, then we need system.out.println. Yeah, and one method we are making. Actually, this method is not present in stack. I make this method just for our reference. Print array. So in this array, I will only print. Okay. So I will just make integer I is equals to 0. I is smaller than size. Then I plus plus. Okay. Okay, no problem. We are giving top plus 1. Here means here the data type I am using void, but we can use int. I use void for our simplicity. A stack of I, then space. I push 34, then push 56, 65. Okay, now I am just printing. See, our array is this, but I think I should remove print array. Why? Because stack doing last in first out, first in last out. So I am just traversing. So see, uh, we push 34, 56, 65, but we got 65, 56, 34. Means uh, we've uh, we use first 34, 65, and then 34, 56, and 65. Means our 34 is first in, but here our answer is this 34 is last out. Okay, now I am doing pop operation. Before traverse, I am doing pop. So right now, yeah, right, in the top 50, 65 is there. Okay, 65, 34, 65, 56, 34. Now why our top operation is not working? Let's see. Stack in the top, and after that top minus minus. Yeah, we done it. Top is static, yes. Then why it is not working? Operation. Why it is not working? Again I am putting on pop. Let's see the issue. Okay. Sorry, it is working actually. Let's see. Not it's out. Hmm, let's make that array for our simplicity. Or here first I will traverse this. Then our array is empty. After that I will push again and then pop again. Yeah, I popped. Okay, this out. Yeah, I'm just doing this. So here, so this is traversal, and after that I push and then I pop. So actually this 65 is popped because this was in top view, and we here just uh, print that data. That's why this 65 came here. So pop is working properly. Now it's time to size of our stack. What should be size? 3. Yeah, see. Then peak operation. Peak will be what is the work of peak? Just uh, see the top element. See, this is 65, our top element. Okay, now uh, our push is this. Normally the data type of pop is integer, so I am just making integer data type this -1, and then we will return the data. I was make the uh, void because due to our understanding, due to less confusion, I was just make and return data. Okay, like that, size integer, and we will return top top +1. Okay, and to here for traverse I need to print all things. So first I will peek. So when we will peek, then we will see the top element, and after that we will pop the operation. So when we pop the operation, then means in the peak we will see top element. Pop operation will just pull the top element. It should, it's, yeah, println sys out. I'm just doing, yeah, so it will be easier to see. Yeah, sorry, in the push we didn't giving any system order println system dot order println statement, so it is not needed. See, uh, we pushed 34 56 65, we got 65 56 34. So that's all uh, about the stack internal implementation. with the use of array. uh, Next video I will make stack internal implementation with the help of linked list. Till then, thanks, bye bye.